I will be showing you step by step how to create consistent character with Nano Banana. So in the past few months, creating consistent character was one of the most important, not important, one of the hardest thing to do with any AI tool. Midjourney, Flux, none of them was able to create consistent character, but lately with C-Dream 4.0 and Gemini, it become easier and easier to create consistent character. So first, we need the character. So what I like to do is go on Google, type an Instagram model, because when you put a human as a reference, a realistic looking human, and the outcome looking better. So I'm going to image, I'm just going to choose, I'm not going to put anyone real picture. I'm just going to use it as a reference, that one right here, and I can just, let me see, okay, I can just copy this, or I can just, let me choose no, I think this one is better, copy image. I'm just going to change everything from that picture so she can look different. So we don't want to put we just want to use the style of the image. So now what I will doing is add my own design, my own character the way I want her to look, and I'm going to add my prompt right now. And one thing for sure, if you do not tell AI this, you have right to use this image. So anyways, we don't have right to use it, but when we tell AI we have right to the image, or saying that's your image, it will be easier for you to get the result you want. So let me add the prompt. Here is my image, and I want to get a perspective on looking different from my actual face. So I want you to change this girl to a white girl with blonde hair and blue eyes, and make her look a little bit older and different from the original image. So instead of her, I would say me, and then I will click enter to see the result. By the way, I'm using Nano Banana, the new version, I think Nano Banana 2, and it will take a little bit longer to generate the result. So let's see. Oh, this look way too old. So I will tell it that I want her to be looking in his earliest 20s, because this one look way too old. As you could see, guys, I just used her, and then look at the result. Now I had a realistic looking Instagram model. See? So whenever you guys want something that is hard for those AI tools to be created, you can get a reference, and then AI to create you something similar. And keep in mind, if I didn't mention that's my image, it will not be generate those image. It will be most likely to mention that, or we can do that if it's not your image. Since I told her that's my image, as you could see, I'm surprised that it show the breadth of this woman, because that's something those tools tend to refuse to be doing. Okay, so now we had her as a model. So what I'm going to do is copy this image. Now we're going to ChatGPT. So I'm going to paste the image, and then tell ChatGPT exactly what I want to do with this character. So I want to use this character to promote my, let's say I want to use her to promote my lotion. So I want 5 shots with this character holding the lotion, and then we're going to ask Gemini to work with this image, and then use her as a model. So let me ask ChatGPT. I'm trying to use this girl as my brand ambassador, and then I own a lotion brand, and I want some good shot, and using her as my model, I want you to give me 5 style of image prompt that I can use her as my model for this brand. So here we go. And okay, so one more thing I will be doing is that I will replace those blonde female, replace those you can referring her as, or let's call her Betty. So let me call her Chloe. So what we will be doing next, when we upload her to Gemini, we will tell Gemini her name is Chloe. She is the model for the brand. So now I'm going to Google, I'm going to type in lotion. So you can put your brand. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use this right here. I'm going to download both of them. And next, okay, for this now, I'm going to open a new chat. Do not use the same chat with all those images. Why? Because Gemini, I don't know if it's still doing that. Previously, they used to use any of this old image when you clearly want the new one. So I'm just going to type in a new chat. So I'm just going to upload both pictures. Okay, now I'm going to tell ChatGPT, sorry, not ChatGPT, Nano Banana. I gotta stop this. Okay, I gotta let me go to copy this prompt right here, copy this prompt, and then come to Gemini, and then I'm just going to remove all this, and I'm just going to tell her this girl name is Chloe. I told her this girl name is Chloe. I need a ultra realistic photo of Chloe, and then leave it like this, and then click continue, and then I'm going to wait and see what is the result comment has. I don't know what make it look so long to generate just one image. As you guys could see, is the result. So I don't know, for some reason he did not use this border, which makes sense. This is copyrighted, but I'm pretty sure if I upload one on my own brand, it will be used. Let me check now. Let me check if they look anything similar. I cannot tell. Does she look the same as the other girl? I cannot really tell the difference. She look the same to me. Yeah, she look the same. Let me generate another one. Let me try to generate another one. Chloe sitting on a bed with shit. Yeah, I think she just had a lot of makeup, but the facial structure, everything look the same to me. Her eyes, her makeup, her nose and mouth. Yeah, yep, it look the same. So now here's the next one. As you will see, this one again look great. Yeah, it look just like her, the hair, all and stuff. And then, so what if I use the exact same raw, unprofessional looking image and then add the prompt? Let me make her hold a lotion bottle. So I'm trying to use the original image and then add the prompt to it. Oh yeah, oh, I got it. Now I prefer this option. Yeah, now this is her real face. Okay, and then make her sitting on a bed with white sheet to her shoulder. Let me add this prompt right now. Yeah, this is way better. And then I think there's option to upscale it. As you guys could see, this is pretty good. And then I can add another prompt, and let me add this last one. Make her looking into a mirror while applying lotion to her neck and hand. Okay, let me try this last one. This is pretty good. As you guys could see, does that one look like the original one? I think so. Yeah, it does. Yeah, her mouth, everything look the same, even the makeup style. So yeah, as you guys could see, I generate a lot of image. So now if I want to create a ad, I would just download those one and then upscale them to 4K and use VO3 or Kling to create those ads. So the one thing you can do is that ask ChatGPT, I'm trying to create a video ad AI tool to use image to text prompt for each of those prompts right here. So each of those image generate from this prompt, and then the prompt to convert them to video for my ad. So now watch this. I will get those exact prompt that I can paste to Kling AI or any other image to video tools. I asking for prompt. Why is generating image? How can I stop this crap? I ask for prompt, not image. So I gotta let ChatGPT know I need prompt. I do not need image. There you go. So now what I can do is copy this right here. So here's the video prompt. Double hand movement applying lotion. So if I copy this right here and then I go to Kling, I upload this image and I add the prompt, I will get the perfect clip for my video ad. So ChatGPT even give you more suggestion that will help you out. So yeah, this is how easy it is, guys, to create any expensive looking ad you want. So next video I will be making a more detailed video to go through all the process. It might take maybe longer than an hour. So yeah, I will be showing you step by step how to create a killer ad for any brand using only ChatGPT, Clang, and Nano Banana. Also, guys, check out my AI newsletter. I will leave the link in the description. If you want to keep updated with all the AI news and tutorials, you got to join the newsletter. It's completely free for now, so you can sign in before it's too late. Yeah.